Cursor, Bolt, and Databutton all use AI to improve coding, but their goals are different. Cursor is a fully featured code editor built on VS Code, but enhanced with deep AI features. It understands your full code base, lets you refactor with prompts, and gives intelligent suggestions, making it great for developers working on real projects. Bolt focuses on generating quick code from text prompts, ideal for MVPs, small scripts, or getting unstuck. It's fast and simple, but lacks deep project context. Databutton is more of a low-code builder, geared toward creating AI-powered dashboards or data tools. It's perfect for analysts and creators, not necessarily developers. Cursor is best for serious developers who want AI that works with their full code base. Bolt is for fast prototyping, and Databutton is for deploying data apps without heavy coding. Cursor stands out if you're building real software with AI as your copilot.